I'm going to show you how to tone up your abs in just 8 minutes using this band. Hey guys, welcome back to Kay's Perfect Fitness TV, and today we have an 8-minute ab workout using a resistance loop. So if you don't have one of these, you can get one on the link below, and you can still do the workout without the band, but this will intensify the workout. So all you need is your band, a mat, and a gym boss, or we can use mine. I have it set to 50 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and we have 8 different exercises. So before we start, make sure you pause the video, do a quick warm up, and pop the band around your outer thighs. So step through it. It goes just above your knees. And we're gonna start in our plank position on your forearms or on your hands. So if you have weaker wrists, you can do the whole thing on your forearms or on your hands. The first move is a plank with a leg swing. So either here on your hands, and you can tap your leg out to the side and change. Out to the side and change. Just make sure your shoulders stay over your palms. And like I said, nothing changes if you were to do this from your forearms here. You can still swing that leg out to the side. Keep your hips down. So whatever option works for you. It's amazing just starting with that plank, switching the whole core on. We have a nice little outer thigh engagement here. But just doing this, it really makes those obliques switch on more. So we do each exercise for 50 seconds. And you have a 10-second rest. Good. Knees down, we flip it over. We come onto your back, and our feet are gonna come up to tabletop. Lift here, flex your feet. We have heel taps. Pressing one heel away, and then the other. And change, and change. So you'll really feel that thigh pressing away with the band, which is great. Your abs are just really having to contract to keep the lower back pressing to the mat, because we don't want to arch into the lower back at all. We want to keep the abs engaged. Awesome, guys, keep going. Again, if you don't have the band, you still do the same technique. Pressing the thigh away. The heels don't actually touch the floor. I want you to just imagine there's a little hot pot of water that you're just dipping your heel in and out of. Good, and rest. You can hug those knees in. And we're gonna take the head up this time and take it into an oblique twist. So back to tabletop, head up. Hands behind the head, and then we're taking to a full single leg stretch and twist across. Twist across. Keep those elbows wide, you guys. Find those obliques. Ooh, that band really packs an extra punch. You can really feel it. Come on, guys, you gotta keep twisting. Really twist across. Take your whole upper body with you. Don't just move your elbows. Keep the elbows wide and bring it into release. This time the feet come down to the floor. We're gonna keep the balls of your feet on the floor, but your heels up, and then you're going to hold on to the band. Keep your elbows into your ribs, into your waistline. Exhale, curl up to get your shoulder blades just off the floor. Now you're gonna do a little bicep curl and pull yourself up an inch and then down an inch. Up an inch and down an inch. So this gets more into those upper abs. A little bit into the biceps as well. So you wanna just hold it at the top for a second. Get that little shimmy shake happening in the core. Really getting as high as you can, and then getting the shoulder blades just tapping the floor at the bottom. To release. 10 seconds to breathe. This time we're taking our feet up to the ceiling. going to lower the legs and lift. Lower the legs and lift. Now, if you're ready to challenge yourself, as you lower, you open, up and lift. Lower, open, up and lift. That's just gonna switch those lower abs on a little bit more. Switch those outer thighs in. And rather than thinking of getting your feet overhead, at the top, think about getting your toes up to the ceiling. So it doesn't have to be a massive lift. Use that breath. Open and lift. Lower, open and lift. Good, the feet stay there. Now we're gonna take it into our scissors. So if you can lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, you're going to. You curl up and scissor the legs. 1, 2, and change. 1, 2, and change. You can either support your head or grab onto that top leg. Or if it's an issue, put the head down, keep the legs moving. 2 pulses. 1, 2, and change. 1, 2, and change. Woo! You can really feel that burn. Can you think about reaching that bottom leg longer? And hug it in to release it down. I really love this next one, it's quite fun. We're gonna do a side crunch with a fan kick. So drop your knees to one side, hands behind the head. You go up, down, and fan circle the legs around. Up, down, fan circle the legs around. Up, down, fan and around. Up, down, fan it around. Up, down, and fan circle. Up, down, fan circle. Ooh. Hit the wall. My fan was massive. Woo. And release. We bring those legs back up to tabletop now. You're here. You're going to curl yourself up. Hold it here. We're taking our hundreds. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and out. If you want more, bring those knees in and stretch them out. Bring them in and stretch them out. If you really want the challenge, bring it in, stretch and open. Bring it in, stretch and open. Use that band in and open. Curl it in and lower it down. Hug those knees into your chest, you guys. Just give a little rock side to side. And relax. Good. Take your band off. Let's do a little ab stretch. Just to finish here, flip yourself around. Lie on your stomach. Take those feet wide. Hands under the shoulders. Inhale and press yourself up. Releasing through those abs. That should feel so good. And there you have it, your 8-minute abs using a band. So if you didn't have one today, check out the link in the description box below to get yourself a band. They're amazing, not just for abs. We usually use them for outer thigh and glute work. So there's lots of things you can do with a band, including your abs. So I hope you enjoyed the workout today. Make sure you leave a comment in the boxes below, and find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and I'll see you next time for another amazing workout.